I just want you to watch out for, let me click on the pencil icon and move this up. You watch out for, what's it called here, the pop-up message. You also watch out for how the name is how the name changed. So I would send a message from another phone now so that you see what I'm talking about. Look at this now. It says, that's the message I sent. Hello Flourish, I want to learn. You see, it says good morning, welcome, 8 p.m. Now just be looking at it now. You will see a pop-up message saying that it has been saved automatically. Can you see 8 p.m. has been saved? You see, it has also changed from number to 8 p.m. without me doing anything. And if you now check the message, if you see, let's see the message that was sent to the person. You can see it says, after saving my number, kindly send the word contact saved. Now if you are reading the person's message and the person now sends the prompt, then the auto reply will not work. So now let's go back